Let me show you best display color settings in Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. So first of all, if we open A settings, we can go into the display and find the screen mode. Inside, select the vivid, and then for the remaining time of this video, put the white balance on the middle. After that, you can adjust it however you like. Go into advanced settings, and then as you can see on the screen already, the screen is leaning too much into the red, so we're gonna lower the red all the way to the left. We want to compensate the red with the green, so we want to move the green all the way to the right, and then blue can go into 3 or 4 dot from the left. After that, just put up a vividness all the way up, and that way, as you can see, our display looks much better. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.